If you're someone who only needs to carry their essentials, then this is the right pack for you. What's great about the phone satchel is that you can wear it a host of different ways because of the 4-loop system that we have on all 4 corners. The interior of the pack features a ton of different pockets where you can hold things like your cards or your phone, and on the back we have something like your power bank. And following the theme, the phone satchel does have the interlocking anti-theft clips to keep all your valuables safe. If you're looking for something more secure than your mesh shorts pockets, then the phone satchel's for you. If you have any questions about the phone satchel, make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to obliterate that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Because you have a significant other that's carrying everything else for you, double tap, triple tap. If you have any questions about this thing, you take that like button and absolutely destroy it